Still day after the big storm, the great blizzard of 26. We're walking down the driveway. We're going to get to the end and dig out a spot for our trash barrel. And the key is to make sure the plow guy can get by, our driveway plow guy, and make sure the trash people can see the barrel. This is deep. This is at least a foot. Oh, this is winter's beauty right here in the arborvitaes, apple trees. Keep coming. Wow, this might be 18 inches. It's pretty thick. Let's see if you can see. It's not too hard to see. All right, so plan is the same. Walk all the way down, dig out a spot, and then shovel my way up. I'm shoveling as much as I can so I can get the barrel down, but not so much that the plow guy doesn't have to come. Ooh-wee. The other neighbor has her barrel out on the street. Ooh-wee. Oh my. I might have to start digging before I get to the street. I think I will. So, alright, I'm going to start digging. I'm going to call this a wrap for now. I'll be back in a half hour or so. Thanks for watching.